Hey guys, welcome to Module 8, Beating the Algorithm. So we talked a little bit about beating the algorithm in the past modules, like everything will help. Choosing a right cover photo, choosing a good bio, liking and commenting. If you guys think about it in one full spectrum, the more engagement and natural engagement that you give out, the more you get back. So that's really how you beat the algorithm overall. So if you missed some of that stuff, go back through the modules and catch those. We're going to show you a couple more things like shoutouts and post notifications to really increase your engagement and help you really beat the algorithm and get you the best results. So there's a bunch of different ways to utilize shoutouts to help grow your page. So one could be if you have a second account, let's just say a business account. Give yourself a shameless promotion. That's still a separate audience that you can give yourself promotion on that, and you can utilize that to get more followers. Another way could be local friends or family, right? Even your grandma. Get promotions from anyone that you can and who's willing to, or you can do a shout out for them, right? Any way to get more shout outs on your page with your local audience is a great way to beat that algorithm. Here's a great screen recording that I found of a great page that does shout outs. So you'll see right here they actually have a promo on their page that says want to be featured on our page. Just DM us if you're interested. So just got a text. But you want to go in there and definitely find the good pages that have that. And if they don't have that, that's okay. Just find a page with maybe over 100,000 followers and see what their rates are to give you a promo. Now, you can go down here, I'll show you an example of a shout out. Looks like this girl paid for a promo. So let's go to her page. Okay, so she has 5,000 followers. You can see it's definitely in the beauty niche, which is the same as before. So blog, beauty, every day. She has 5K, so it looks like maybe a couple hundred who came from that one post, but this is a great way. Now, the second tool, if you can't find a good influencer account, is shoutcart.com. So here's a good example of it, influencer marketing. So I'll navigate around on the site and show you guys how to use it, but mostly you want to go to browse, and you can see different influencers in here with their followers, the price, which is actually locked right now. The desktop side is a lot better, but I'm showing you on my mobile. And it'll actually show you the score as well, based on their engagement, about how well results will be able to be gauged. These can go for $10 all the way up to $500, so you can choose which best option fits for you, but this is a great another way, a paid tool to get you ways to beat the algorithm. So play around with shoutouts. Now, let's get into post notifications. So your main goal of post notifications is to get your audience to turn them on for your page. And the reason this is so valuable is because you're telling your audience within 1 minute when you post. So now they can go and open their Instagram app and engage and comment on your photo. And that's what, like we talked about earlier, is going to get your photo to the Explore page and really help you rank way high in the algorithm. So how do you get your audience, how do you motivate your audience to do this? Well, Gary Vaynerchuk is a great example of that. So he did a post earlier on here, it's Turn Me On Insta. So this is super simple. He did a photo in a similar setting just to this, with him pointing in one direction of where the 3 dots would be, right? So, and I'm going to show you guys how to turn them on in a second, but he says click the 3 buttons to turn on the post notifications, and he motivates his audience great to do this, right? So you can say turn on post notifications, and now I'll get notified within 1 minute of Gary Vaynerchuk posting. Alright guys, so to summarize, basically having a good cover photo and bio is going to help you really establish that immediate credibility. That's their first impression. Another thing that's going to help you establish that credibility and trust is having great, high quality content that's really visually pleasing. Engagement via likes, comments, DMs, and stories. You got to be doing that stuff. You got to get out there and engage first to get that engagement back. But a couple more things that can really help is turning on post notifications, doing shoutouts, and a couple other things like power likes that can help you get the best results on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for coming along with this journey with me. It's been super fun teaching you guys about Instagram growth, but I'd love to stay connected with you guys. Give me a follow here at Collin Tovar, but besides that, go explode your Instagram growth.